And how's your experience been so far?
Yes, it's my first time in Goa, and as His Excellency said, we stayed before in Kerala, in his diocese, for his episcopal ordination. I think that Saint Francis Xavier is one of the biggest missionaries that we have in the church. That many years ago he had the courage to come here to preach to these people the gospel and to be Christ present among the people of Goa. And still now we realize that the heritage of Francis Xavier is still present, and as Father said, is an example for bishops, for priests, and for the Catholics. But I say also for the entire population, because St. Francis Xavier, he tried to do the best for the people. That is what Jesus Christ teaches us. Jesus Christ said to us that we have faith, that is the most important thing, to love God. But that love to God is an input to love each other. Each other doesn't matter who is, but to love each other. And I think that in this moment, in India, in Asia, in the world, is still a message. It's still a message, important message for all of us to love each other, to help each other, and to do the best for the other. And this is what brings us here in Goa, just to pray in front of the relics of St. Francis, also to ask him the grace and the blessing to continue to do that in the church. I'm sorry for my voice, but no, the Czech create this situation. Thank you. Thank you very much.
If invited by the government to India, is there a likelihood of the Pope visiting in the future?
Yes. During the last visit of President Modi to the Holy Father, I know that they talk about this item, and I think that is pending. I mean, it's always possible, because President Modi invites the Holy Father, and the Holy Father, that has a great love for India, also open the possibility to, when the things will be all ready, to come and to visit India. That will be very nice, really. That will be very nice.